You know what's crazy? Some people walk into a room and everyone respects them. They don't shout, they don't try hard, they don't even talk much, but somehow people just look at them differently. Want to know their secret? It's not being loud, it's not acting tough, it's not trying to impress anyone. It's a few small behaviors that send one message without you saying it. I respect myself. And stay until the end, because first is the respect switch most people never use. The moment you use it, people stop testing you. I used to be invisible, for real. People would talk over me, ignore me, walk past me like I wasn't even there. At school, at work, even around friends. Then something weird happened. I changed a few tiny things. Not my personality, not my looks, not my money, just my signals. And suddenly people started treating me completely different. They listened when I spoke. They asked for my opinion. They stopped acting like I was optional. So today, I'm going to show you 9 powerful ways to make people respect you. From the simplest one to the most powerful one. And none of these require you to be mean, toxic, or fake. Because real respect isn't about dominance. It's about presence. It's about standards. It's about what you tolerate. Number 9, stop over-explaining. Over-explaining is the fastest way to lose respect because it sounds like you're asking permission. Pattern interrupt. The next time you say no, say it like this: I can't. Full stop. No extra story. Not I can't because, not I'm sorry, but just I can't. Short answers create weight. Weight creates respect. Number 8, stand like you belong there. Watch how most people stand. Shoulders down, head lowered, taking up tiny space, like they're trying to disappear. That's exactly what you don't want. Here's what respected people do. They stand tall, shoulders relaxed, head up, not stiff, not arrogant, just grounded, because your body talks before your mouth does. People decide how to treat you before you even speak. Try this right now. Sit up straight, pull your shoulders back slightly. Feel the difference? That's your nervous system telling you, I'm safe, I'm solid. And people feel that. Number 7, move slower than you feel. Ever notice how respected people don't rush? They walk slower, they sit slower, they speak slower. Meanwhile, nervous people rush everywhere. Fast talking, fast moving, fast reacting. Here's the psychology in simple words. Slow equals calm. Calm equals control. Control equals respect. Mini scene. 2 people walk into a meeting. One rushes in, throws their bag down, starts talking fast. The other walks in calmly, sits down, pauses, then speaks. Who looks more important? The calm one. Every time. Do this today. Walk 10% slower. Talk 10% slower. Even eat slower. People will start waiting for your words. Number 6, hold eye contact a second longer. Most people look away too quickly. They look at the floor, the wall, their phone, anywhere except the person's eyes. Big mistake. Eye contact signals confidence. It says, I'm not afraid of you. I'm not hiding. But don't stare like a robot. Use this simple rule. Look into their eyes for 3 seconds. Look away for 1 second. Then look back. Natural, calm, comfortable. I remember the first time I did this with my boss. Same words, same ideas. But suddenly, he took me more seriously. That's how powerful signals are. Number 5, don't laugh at disrespect. This is a hidden one. A lot of people train others to disrespect them without realizing it. Someone makes a rude joke. They insult you playfully. They cross a line, and you laugh just to keep the peace. But your laugh tells them that's allowed. Pattern interrupt. Next time someone says something disrespectful, don't smile. Look at them, calm and neutral, and say, I don't find that funny. Then stop talking. That silence is a boundary. Midway reminder: subscribe to Brain Catalyst for psychology that helps you decode people. Number 4, listen like a leader. This sounds backwards, but it's real. You gain respect faster by listening than by talking. Most people listen while preparing their next sentence. They're not absorbing, they're waiting. Respected people do the opposite. They listen like they're collecting information. They nod, they ask one good question, they let the other person finish. Because everyone wants to feel heard. Mini scene. Instead of jumping in with your story, try this. Repeat one key line they said, then ask, so what do you want to do about it? That makes you sound mature, steady, and valuable. Number 3, be less available. If you're always available, you look replaceable. If you reply instantly to everyone, you teach people your time has no value. Strong people protect their time. Not to be rude, to show self-respect. Pattern interrupt. Someone texts, "Call me a sap, you don't jump." You reply, "What's this about?" That one sentence trains people to treat your time with respect. And if someone treats you badly, you pull back. Bad behavior should always reduce access to you. Number 2, stop reacting to everything. This is where respect really changes. If people can control your emotions, they can control you. If every comment triggers you, they learn your buttons. But when you stay steady, they realize they can't shake you. Mini scene. Someone says something disrespectful, and they're waiting for you to snap. Instead, you pause, then ask one question. What do you mean by that? Now the pressure is on them. They have to explain their disrespect out loud. Most people fold right there. Number 1, enforce consequences quietly. This is the ultimate respect switch. Most people talk, they warn, they threaten, they complain, but they don't act, so nobody believes them. Respect comes when your actions match your standards. Not loud actions, not dramatic actions, quiet actions. Someone talks over you repeatedly, you stop speaking, and you don't continue until they stop. Someone disrespects you, you end the conversation. Someone breaks trust, you reduce access. Someone keeps crossing your line, you leave. No long speech, no emotional essay, no trying to convince them. Just reality. Because the strongest message in the world is simple. I don't argue about my standards, I live by them. Pick one of these 9 ways and use it today, just one, and watch how differently people treat you this week. Comment respect if you're done being treated like an option.